Okay, I figured I'd do a video about chicken coop I made and how I made it and how I came up with it all. Maybe this will help somebody else that's wanting to do a chicken coop but think that they don't have the money in order to do it. And the way I did it takes a little bit longer to build because I didn't. I basically got no money in this at all, really. It's a 5x8. Um, the only thing I have money wise in it is the one handle, couple hinges, um, I think 2 boxes of screws, and that rolled roof right there on the nesting box I got from Lowe's, and it was a whole roll, and it was marked for 80 cents. And after some debate going back and forth, they sold it to me for 80 cents because that's what they had it marked down. I mean, it wasn't just only on the product, it was actually on the shelf too. So at first they was trying to say that I put it on there, but you got it on the shelf. I didn't put that on the shelf. So I got it for 80 cents. Um, I've got it to where it hinges open. Um, all the wood, all the wood and stuff I got from Marketplace. Let me step back so you can see it a little bit more. All the wood I got from Marketplace, here and there. The 2x4s, I actually found a company that had crates, not pallets, but crates, and they let me come and disassemble them and take them apart. And some of them I just loaded up on my trailer and brought them home. The actual outside part right there was the wood part on it is actually from a fence that somebody had, they was replacing their fence and found it on Marketplace. They was giving away just whole sections of uh, wooden fences or privacy fence. So I went and picked that up. The roof guy was demolishing the house. I just happened to stop by there. Didn't know him. I just saw the dumpster in the driveway. Work trucks out there. I stopped and asked him, "Do you have anything I could look through and have?" And he said, "Yeah, have at it." And I found that and took it. And that PVC pot, I took it from there too. The fencing was actually here. This part of the fence right here was already here. Just that one section. I put the other section up. I did the whole top. I made this bigger. The fencing I got from a government facility that was laid out there, and I went inside and asked them, and after going through the chain of command, they told me I could have it. So I got a whole bunch of fencing that way. But once I had everything and I started building it, it didn't take me that long. The actual siding right here is from a shed. I got it from took down a shed, and I put it up because it had light would come through it, just because when I've got way I got them placed there, you could see light in it, and I think it messed with the chickens a little bit. And plus, not to mention too, we have feral cats around here, a couple of them, and I'm just trying to beef it up a little bit. That's why I actually got these right there. And what those are, I think you can buy them. They're called something else, but the way I did it is these right here are actually from dog kennel crates. Um, I found online people was giving them away. There was a whole bunch of them, and just I had to come pick them, every one of them up and haul them off, and I did. And if you take bolt cutters and you cut this section off, you just cut that and just leave these, they will actually, you can hammer them in the ground, and they're pretty damn sturdy. As long as you, like I said, you fasten them at the top. I mean, they're in there. They ain't coming out. Trust me, I had to actually remove one when I first got the chickens, and I got them. I didn't get them as chicks. I got them when I think they was like 6, 7 weeks old, and I had that right there. As you can see, I had it. It was open where the chicks could get up underneath it. Well, when I first got them, they didn't want to come out and go in the coop. I actually had to remove one of those panels and go up underneath there and get them. And after 2 times of that, I said, screw that, no more. I boarded it up for now. I've been thinking about letting them go back under there, give it another try since they're bigger. I made that so I could walk in there. I didn't want to have to be bending over. I like the fence part because, I mean, like you say, I can stick limbs in here, and they got roost that they can get up on. I've actually had to put that dog kennel crates on the other side because the other side was the weak side. And like I said, the fence is already here, so I'm having to work with that. I've been lucky so far. They ain't nothing gotten to them yet. And hopefully I plan on not letting anything get to them. I do wish, though, the only thing is I wish I would have made it a little taller, because I wasn't thinking about when I open this up like this. Hold on. Let's see if you can see it. Oh. Sorry about that. Alright. Now, it is easy to clean. I will give it that. It's easy to clean. I do got underneath that pine shavings is that locking, that tongue and groove hardwood floor that you put down. I found some of it, and this is what the floor is. So it's easy. It's easy to clean up. It ain't just wood. But I do wish I made it a little taller because I do have to bend down, and I take a broom and I sweep all this out, and I scoop it and put it in a Rubbermaid container, then throw it in my compost pile. And I do have lights in there. It does light up. I've got cord buried under the ground going to the shop. Goes to a switch. I just need to get it on a timer. That would be really nice if I had an automatic timer. I'd like to have a door that had an automatic where I could just, at a certain time it raises up. About 9 o'clock every night, they're inside the coop. So, and I'd have it closed in. But I was going to have both sides hinge open like that. And I don't. I decided not to. Just thought it'd be more of a pain. Like I said, it's still a kind of work in progress. I'm not really, I do stuff to it all the time. I would open up this right here, but recently I screwed it down because I've, on my cameras I have out here, I've found that there's 2 or 3 raccoons. So I screwed that down just to try to stop that before it even happens. I mean, Now, if you like this video, I mean, help, please, man, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I'm a little bit about everything I do. I mean, like I said, I got this coop. I do mobile mechanic work, um, engine repair, any type of do-it-yourself thing. I'm all about doing everything myself as long as I can do it and do it efficiently and do it right. But um, I'd like it if you'd subscribe to it. Um, if you like this video. And thank you for watching. If you got any questions, I'll try to get all your questions. I know there's probably stuff I mixed. Now, I will say this right here, that PVC pipe, I don't think it works too good for starter feed. I don't like it. I mean, when they start eating other stuff, maybe it works for that, but I've not really liked it at all for starter feed. It clumps up. But that's my opinion. I might be doing it wrong too. I don't know. But if y'all got any questions, I'll try to answer them. And y'all have a good one. Thanks for tuning in.